The first place that I saw my love, it was at a ball. I looked at her, I gazed at her, far above them all. But she looked on me with scorn and disdain, and the bonny wee lassie's answer was to no, come again, was to no, come again. And the bonny wee lassie's answer was to no, come again. The next place that I saw my love, it was at a wake. I looked at her, I gazed at her, far my heart would break. But she looked on me with scorn and disdain, and the bonny wee lassie's answer was to no, come again, was to no, come again. And the bonny wee lassie's answer was to no, come again. Well, it'd been 6 months after, a little or above, when Cupid shot his arrow, and he's wounded my true love. He's wounded her severely, which caused her to complain, and she wrote to me a letter saying you might come again, saying you might come again. And she wrote to me a letter saying you might come again. Well, I wrote her back an answer for to let her know, while life was in my body, sure as there I wouldn't go. While life was in my body and while it does remain, I mind the girl who said don't come again, who said don't come again. I mind the girl who said don't come again. So come all you pretty fair maids, a warning take by me, never slight a young man wherever you may be. For if you do, you shoot to rue and cause you to complain, and you'll rue the day that you said don't come again, you said don't come again. And you'll mind the day that you said don't come again, you said don't come again. And you'll mind the day that you said don't come again.